Hello guys, good morning. This is unboxing video of Flipkart's VORTEX mixer grinder juicer. It's worth 2300. Let's see, I will open it now. So this is unboxing video guys. Right now you can see a mixer fully packed. This is something inside the box. I will show it. There is another box. I think these are all the mixing pots. So guys, here is this Flipkart Smart Buy VORTEX mixer, and these three boxes here are its accessories. Here are its lids of three mixer appliance. Here is one mixer appliance. Look at this. Here is another one. Here is the third one. This is the final one. This is the juicer. Look at this. This might be a juicer. Here they have given a stainless steel strainer to remove the juices from fruits. Look at this set. It's quite good. Here we got a spatula too. So this is now whole set mixer grinder juicer. So now we will start to take a test.